So let me guess, since you are watching this video, you are probably now sitting in your car and thinking, damn, I can't start my car. What's wrong? And you see the message key not detected on your dashboard. Don't worry though. To get your car started is very simple. Take your fob key and press it to the start button like you normally do with your finger. And boom, your car is started. Just like that. You will now see the change, the key battery, and the key not found message on the dashboard. It will sporadically come on and off while you drive to your nearest shop to get a battery replacement. The key fob takes the CR2032 or CR20253 volt battery, and you can watch this video on the left to learn how to replace the battery. If for some reason your car did not start, try opening and closing the car door manually with the key like it is shown in the video on the right. And then try to repeat the starting procedure with pressing the fob key to the starting button again. Good luck.